Welcome to hybrids.co.nz, where we have so much fun with car electronics every day. Now it is about language conversion. In many imported Mazdas, you wouldn't have English as an option. Mazda Infotainment Unit in Japanese Imported Axela, Atenza or CX-5 is not compatible with New Zealand maps. Radio frequencies are displayed incorrectly and the band is different. After conversion, you'll be able to buy official New Zealand maps, FM radio will display stations correctly. You could get all FM stations with our replacement radio, or if you choose to use band expander, choice of stations and quality will be different. Thank you for watching. See ya!